Small craft advisory in effect into Friday. Winds tomorrow out of the southeast at 20 to 25 knots. Seas anywhere from 5 to 7 feet, occasionally up to 9. So the waters will be quite rough. Tonight, 73 degrees. We'll have some gusty winds, maybe a passing shower. Tomorrow, a daytime high of 79. It's warm, it's windy with a 40% chance of some scattered showers. And there's the extended forecast. So Friday, a 40% chance of a shower, maybe a thunderstorm as well. Saturday, a couple of spot showers here or there. Sunday looking great. And right now, New Year's Eve and New Year's Day looking beautiful.